then don't just keep going down that path.
Mhm.
I mean, it's going to lead to unhappiness. Sit back, use your prefrontal cortex, and try not to be afraid of the truth. Try not to be afraid of the exploration because that's what life is all about. And our living this life is really about personal growth and understanding where we are in the moment. And then how do we use where we are in the moment to get where we think is the best place for us to be in the future. And for me, that was constantly reevaluating. Am I doing what I want to be doing right now? And if I'm not feeling great about it, is it just temporary? Because I've been through plenty of circumstances where I've thought, oh, academia is too hard. I just can't do this anymore. I can make more money if I left and did something else. I'd be less stressed out. I'd be a better mother. But when push came to shove, the benefits of being in academia always outweighed the negatives. And I couldn't be happier that I just stuck with what I'm doing. But in different ways, like I moved. I left Yale and I went to Penn, and then I came here to Colorado. So moving and changing one's environment can also be incredibly helpful. Again, how much of it is you and what you need to change, or what is your North Star, and are you pursuing it? And then how much is the environment that you're in cramping your ability to do the things that really excite you and make you passionate? Because passionate people working in this world is what is going to help society. Us trying to do and bring our passions, that's what helps society in the end. Truthfully, maybe it's the way I was raised that I've always felt like that's sort of my reason to be on this earth is I want to be happy. I want to be well taken care of. But I also felt like life for me was not fulfilling unless I was having a positive impact on
Mhm.
society.
Well,
That's not everybody's jam.